meet my friend here. Of course, I made a childhood. Man, Sigma boy. So anyway, right now we are going to bro. What are we going to play? So we are going to play. So guys, we are going to play Minecraft in real life. What the? What the heck? What the hell are these? Ew. Man. Oh yes. Yo bro, I found some iron. Kuku. Kugu Shibita.